Alright, they're off. Our 4 teams for this heat. We have Femcor Paddlers in lane 1. In lane 2, we have One Piece Dracon Sangres. In lane 3, we have Bomba Pilipinas. And in lane 4, we have Boracay Dragon Force. You can really see the power of the paddle.
Once again, this is heat number 2, Premier Open Standard category.
Lahat ng mga isda sa Iloilo River nagtatago na, ladies and gentlemen, because of the power of the strokes of the 4 teams.
Yes, and at our vantage point, I think.
Neck to neck, ladies and gentlemen, once again, you can see lane number
3 or 2.
And
Yes,
number 4.
they are close to the finish line now. Lane number 3 in the lead.
Game for last hit.
Catching up lane 4 or lane 2.
Who will be victorious?
And we have our lane number 1.
Alright, so
Alright, congratulations.
again, short but not very sweet. Short and unpredictable. That's our sport of Dragon Ball. Hindi mo alam ang mangyayari and you will not know who will win.